everyone! Welcome back to Menchie's Art and Hobbies. Today, I'm going to show you how to put flowers in resin. These are the flowers that we dried on the silica crystals before, and now I'm going to put them in resin. So come on guys and join me in this another artwork. And if you are still new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Please click the subscribe button below. Also give me a like and click the notification bell. You can also share my video to others, to your friends, and to everyone. So for this project, I will be using art resin. Art resin is very clear and it will give me a very shiny finish. And because we're going to do a thicker pouring, so I thought that the art resin would be better so that it's going to be clearer and less bubbles. So let's do it. So it's going to be all clear. The first pour, I just want to put a small amount of resin underneath so that we could stick the flowers on. So let's wait for about 10 minutes until the resin becomes sticky, and then we are going to lay our flowers. Okay, 10 minutes has passed and our resin is now becoming sticky. So it's about time to put our flowers. Three times of pouring until we finish on top. So it's going to be thick like this. So stay tuned. So for our third pour, I have another 100 grams of resin here. I did not use a warm bath or warm water because it will just make a resin hot right away and it will damage the flowers. So in this way, it's cold. Until now, it's still cold. And if we don't pour thick, just thin, it will not be hot. Okay, so that's my technique, the way I experienced it in my previous projects. So sit there for a few minutes. ring of resin. I have another 100 grams of art resin here, and that has been sitting for a few minutes, maybe around 8 minutes. Okay. To put the last layer of the base or the stand, and I'm going to do it by putting a little bit of decoration. So it's unmolding time after 24 hours. Let's see the outcome of our project. Okay. Are we able to preserve the flowers very well? Let's see. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful flower. Going to dome the top. Since our project is already done, our flowers are already preserved inside the resin, it has a stand. All we have to do now is attach the stand to our heart flower, and we will do this by putting our glue. This is Gorilla Super Glue Gel, and outside to reinforce the attachment, I'm going to use a UV resin. Cured. This is the back side and this is the front side. So this is the finished product. This is our final project. My flowers are now preserved in resin. See how beautiful they are. Summer is over in Canada, so we have to wait for another season for the flowers to come out. And I can see my flowers even in the winter and the whole time because they are preserved right there. So thank you very much guys for watching, and I hope you learned something from me today in my video, Preserving Flowers in Resin. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and also hit the like button and the notification bell so that you can see all my uploads, all my videos. You can also share my video to your friends, and don't forget to leave me some comments. Until the next video guys, thank you very much for watching.